not a supermodel from a magazine. I'm okay with not being perfect, 'cause that's perfect to me.
Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an American Eagle jean haul. So American Eagle is known for their nice high-waisted, nice and stretchy, very flexible, very comfortable jeans. And I don't know any other store that every time you buy 5 pairs of jeans, you get the 6th one free always. Like, that's an amazing deal. And when I bought all of these jeans, these are all new test denim, I was told. So these were new jeans that the company, I guess, was testing out and seeing if they would do good or not. There was so many cute jeans that I just fell in love with, and some of them just ran out of my size. So it just sucked. So I found the ones that they did have in my size that were my taste and fit amazing, which all of these are amazing fit. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and smash the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to put post notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video. And now, without further ado, let's get on this video. Okay, getting started. This was one of the actual shirts that I did get from American Eagle. I got this over clearance, last extra small in this, and I love the fit. I actually wore this first outfit. I did wear this to a Jonas Brothers concert, which is gonna be right here, and that was such an amazing concert. But getting started, I do want to point out that I don't have the exact names of each of these jeans, so I will be linking it in the description box below and putting it on the screen right here when I introduce each one. I took out all the tags from each of them, so I don't remember each one. Now, I believe most of these are from the Dream Jeans collection. I'm assuming, because one of them does have the tag on it, and it does say Dream Jean. Going into the jeans, I got these are super high-rise jeggings in a size 0 short. These have so much stretch. Now, usually I would say I'm like a size 2, but I have been losing some weight, so I went down to 0. But I also believe that it's just these jeans have so much stretch in them. You know, you want jeans to fit you all in the right places, but at the same time, be nicely snug that it's gonna accentuate your curves. These jeans are different because of the bottoms. Now, these are light wash, and they do have rips on the knees. On the bottom of these jeans, they have like an open bottom. So it's cut on both sides like slits. And you have the option if you want to fold them up. I had an associate tell me how to style them because I was a little confused how I could style it. She did say that I could roll them up and sew them. So it comes like a cute little fold. But you can also fold them like that, or you can fold them and trying to have it keep the shape, because folding them does keep the shape. You just gotta like fold it in a good way and like hold it down so it keeps that mold. You can even fold the front of it and leave the back out. If you wear heels with it, that would be a really cute combo. Okay, so the next jeans are the curvy super high-rise jeggings in a size 0 regular. Now, in American Eagle, they have a new collection called Curvy. What I've gathered from it is that it gives you much more stretch in the areas that you're more targeted towards, like your bottom, your waist. Gives you much more stretch, but still maintaining that fit that's gonna really accentuate your curves. It's also super high rise, so that meaning that it's gonna go right there on your waist is really high, higher than any of the jeans that I do have. Sometimes it's a hit or miss for the super high rise, just the fact that sometimes it just makes you look more boxy. It just depends. You always gotta try on. I tried these on and I did love them when I purchased them in the store. It's all about trying on, seeing what fits you. Some super high rise fits good, some don't. Just gotta try it on. Usually I get my jeans in shorts. I don't think these were new. You couldn't really order the new denim. They didn't really have it. It was just like whatever you got in store was what they had in store. So I couldn't find the short in store, but I got the regular. Regular fits good, but for me, since I'm much more on the shorter side, it does punch up a little bit more on the bottom, as I'm always like rolling it. Okay, so these next jeans is the highest high-rise jeggings in a 0 short. Now, I love the length of these. I don't have to fold them. They go right there at my ankles. Perfect fit for me. Now, being in the sense of the waistband, it goes from high-rise jeggings, super high-rise jeggings, and then highest high-rise jeggings. Just the fact that this is much more of a higher waist, it kind of goes up more than the previous jeans was super high-rise. So going in the fit of the jeans now, it's fitted on the legs, but on the waist side, it still has like a lot of room for me. And I believe I did try on the 0-0, but those were too fitted on the legs and I just felt like I couldn't breathe for it, where this is much more better. It still fits perfect on the waist. I would much rather have space at the waist, then no space at all, because then that's so uncomfortable. The jeans I kind of go for is, I don't like the skinny fit. I like more of the jeggings material, just like I want more breathable denim. Like that just makes much more sense for daily life events and for all the stuff that you're going out and all. I feel like that's just much more comfortable denim that you can go and do activities with, that is just more comfortable in the sun. Okay, so moving forward, this is the next pair of jeans. These are called Soft Blue. These are the high-rise jeggings in a size 00 regular. The rips are in a much different design, like the way it's going is more like in a triangle form going down and all, so it's like really different but really nice. Very fitted, very nice, but still maintains a nice stretch, comfortable fit that I'm looking for in jeans. And the bottom of these jeans are slightly frayed, so it adds like a cute little touch to it. Okay, so these are the last jeans of the haul. These are the curvy super high-rise jeggings in a 0 short. Now, the color of this jeans is much more different, I feel. Like it's light wash, but it's also like in a medium wash. Very cute. These are the most comfortable jeans I own. These feel like almost like a seamless type jeggings. Like just the fit of it, these are so stretchy. Like these have the most stretch out of all the jeans I just showed. So comfortable. The bottom is like a nice cutoff frayed. So it's like, it's so cute, but it's also fitted. So it's so pretty at the bottom. I love these jeans with all my heart. These I think are one of my top faves, because these are all my favorites. But I think this one's at like the top of the list. Just the fit of it is so comfortable all around. I feel like it flatters so well. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment, and smash the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to put post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And before we end this video, I just want to say that I will be linking each of these jeans in the description box below, so you guys can click the link. Now, most of these jeans might have been just test denim, so I won't be able to have a link. But if I don't, I will try and find ones that are close to the jeans, just so you guys can see. If you guys want to shop ones that look similar, definitely do. American Eagle is always having like great deals. Also check out the clearance jeans, because I noticed some of these test denims went to clearance, so you never know, you might find a really good pair in clearance. Until next video, bye.